What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, around $1.6 mark, and I've told you that we broke the range of 0.5. As you can see, it is a Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top, because we completed all 5 wave structure, and I nailed the majority, basically all of the movements from this bottom to this top. And you can watch my previous video from the late summer till the mid of September. And I've told you that because of this breakout, most likely we will hit the golden pocket range, and from this point we should have at least a bounce. And as you can see, this range in between 0.65 and 0.618, in between the price points of $1.12 and $1.22 are extremely powerful support level. And as you can see, we have a very good price action. We didn't break below $1.19 price point, and from this point we went higher. Very technical and very expectable price action. And if you want to know what should we expect next, just follow my channel and watch the video till the very end. So, and for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at $2.39 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.75% increase over the last day. But as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum during the last 24 hours have some losses, about 2% each. And Binance is still up for about 1%. But during the 7 days period, all 3 top coins are in green, and Binance up for about 6.23%, Ethereum for about 1.5%, and Bitcoin for about 6.1%. So I have to say that we are still bullish, and technically we are in the consolidation phase, but all in all, my main assumption that we should have a higher price action from current levels. So let's continue with the Cardano numbers. For now, it has $49.9 billion of total market cap. It is a 2.27% increase over the last day, and the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is slightly above $2 billion. It's also higher than it was previously by 84.91%. So, very good numbers and very good price action with increasing volume. And let me show you what should we expect from Cardano in upcoming 2022. And this article was published on newbtc.com, and it is titled Here's What's in Store for Cardano in 2022. And let me quote you just several paragraphs. Hoskinson is the founder of this network. Hoskinson took time to address this important part of the Cardano network as he explained his plan to bring affordable loans to the network through DeFi. He outlines this goal as something he's working towards so that by the second half of 2022 there can be working protocols on the network where people are able to perform end-to-end microfinance transactions on the blockchain. My goal for the second half of 2022 is to figure out how to put all the pieces together to get an end-to-end microfinance transaction on Cardano, so that a real person in Kenya or somewhere with a blockchain-based identity and credit score, stablecoin on the other side, Cardano is the settlement rail, Hoskinson said. And Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson did not fail to mention Africa, a continent that has been of real interest to the blockchain. For Hoskinson, bringing these peer-to-peer decentralized finance services to the continent and spreading them so all the continent can benefit from this. He refers to the spread of real finance across the continent as the dream. Hoskinson lists out plans to enhance the network smart contract platform known as Plutus, as well as the 3 Cardano improvement proposals (CIPS), taking a note from the Ethereum improvement proposals (EIP), that are being worked on by developers that will come into the project. The founder also acknowledged the growth of the community, which has grown tremendously in 2021. We are staging things appropriately, and we are starting to see a refinement of these scenes of things, he said. The adoption's there, the community is there. We've grown to about 2 million people, Hoskinson added. And I have to say that it is extremely powerful speech, and you can find his channel on YouTube, and you can watch the entire interview. And in this interview, you might see how powerful his plans are. And he is pointing to Africa. And in my opinion, it is the most promising continent all over the earth. Because in Africa, they don't have enough banking systems to fulfill all their needs. And this continent has the highest demand on this type of products. And Cardano might fulfill this demand, and it will be massive adoption. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, this range in between 0.65 and 0.618 might be your accumulation point. And from this range, as I mentioned in my previous video, you might be up for about 23% already to our current price. And let me show you what should you do if you want to micromanagement your position. And let's switch to another price action, and let me zoom in to hourly time frame. And what do we have right here? As you can see, we have very good support at $1.2 range. And for now, we have, in my opinion, something like this. From this lowest point, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth retracement, and potentially we might have one more leg to the upside, because if it is the first wave, second, and this might be the third, fourth retracement. If we won't break this level, the level of the top of our first wave, potentially we might hit higher targets, but then we will have to have a retracement. So for now, we have, this is our highest level, and from this point, if we will break the range of about $1.46, this will pretty much invalidate this movement, and this will confirm the top of our fifth wave right here. But otherwise, if we will have one more leg to the upside, we will hit some higher targets, but in my opinion, the gains are not so massive even for the swing traders. So, and if it is the top, we can project the levels where we might land in order to re-establish our position, in order to reaccumulate and potentially enter new position for those of you who didn't enter it right here. And for this case, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top of this wave, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is one wave on a greater scale. And the levels are following. 0.382 at the price point of $1.43, 0.5, it is the confluence with the bottom of our fourth wave, as you can see right here, and the price point is $1.39. And the golden pocket, the range in between 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels at the price points in between $1.32 and $1.34. So don't forget that the retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. That this means we might have something like this. Let me show you. We might land first of all at 0.382, then might have a bounce and another leg to the downside that potentially might land as a double bottom pattern with extremely bullishness of this asset. Next one right here, or even right here. And these ranges might be your accumulation points if you want to enter the position with this asset. So all in all, I am extremely bullish on Cardano, and it is one of my favorite coins for the 2022. And this means you can rely on this asset as a part of your investment portfolio. And I think next year will be very profitable for this asset. So from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!